What's up, guys? I'm here at Kentucky Kingdom and Thema Water Park here in Louisville, Kentucky. The sign-off video for 2025 season, guys. I'm here in the snow zone area. I want to give a shout out to all the ride operators, the people at the front of the house, the back of the house, maintenance, all the ride operators, management team, and everybody here at the park for doing a successful 2025 season. Also opening the Discovery Meadows this year too as well. The three new family rides here, as well as the 6 new rides too as well. Also Bloom's Barbecue, which was really good this year, my favorite. And now next year, 2026, which we're in now, Flying Fox, guys. So thank you guys for everything what you've done here at the park. Everything was phenomenal, guys. I'm ready for 2026 for Flying Fox. Let's go, guys. Thank you guys for everything what you've done, guys. Let's buckle in. Let's go, guys. Thank you for everything, park.